Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon battle theme on piano. Start by understanding the core structure of the theme. We will begin by identifying the main melody, which is often in a minor key, and then learn the foundational chords that accompany it. Focus on practicing your right hand for the melody and your left hand for the chords independently. This approach helps build muscle memory and ensures accuracy before combining both hands. Next, we will dive into the exciting rhythms and dynamics that make this theme so iconic. Pay close attention to the syncopated patterns, which give the music its driving energy. Experiment with dynamic shifts, playing some sections louder and others softer, to add expression. Practicing with a metronome at various speeds will greatly improve your timing and precision. Now, let's elevate your playing with some advanced techniques. We will explore how to incorporate arpeggios and broken chords to create a fuller, more complex sound. Consider adding simple bass lines or counter melodies to give the piece more depth and interest. Focus on making your transitions between the different musical sections seamless and fluid for a polished performance. Finally, let's discuss some essential performance and practice tips. Recording yourself playing is an excellent way to objectively assess your progress and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Performing for friends or family can help build your confidence. Aim for consistent daily practice sessions, even if they are just 15 to 20 minutes long, to see significant improvement over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.